Hello again. I would like to show everybody this presentation that I created based on some pictures that I saw around campus and around an airport actually that express the universal design to support mobility and accessibility. So this weekend I went to Orlando, so I spent significant time, because of the thunderstorms in the Orlando airport and the Atlanta airport. And I saw special places where you could go and get wheelchair assistance, as well as these special types of carts for people who have limited mobility to help get moved around, and they're complimentary, which I thought was really nice. Here's an example of one of the wheelchairs that Southwest is offering. And that just basically makes it easier for people who have limited mobility to get around the airport. Here's an example of a door. Since it slides to open and it opens really wide, it really lets like a large variety of different types of wheelchairs or different types of assistive mobility tools to get through the doors. Another example is when you're able to just press to open. So if you have limited mobility or accessibility, you can do that, and these doors indicate that they're handicap accessible. Another thing that I thought was interesting was this chair that was on a bus I was on, and it was a chair in the front, and it was reserved for those in need. So it was handicap and wheelchair accessible, which I think is really important on these large transportation vehicles. Another thing is evacuation chair for when there's an emergency. I saw this in the Miller Learning Center, and so that makes it accessible for people with disabilities or limited mobility to exit in case of emergency. And then finally, here's another smart cart that I saw at the airport that helps moving luggage around if you have needs in that category.